Veterinarians was available to the public, but that has changed. Following our I-Team investigation, you can now find out more if you try to do a vet check. We first met Marcia Rosenberg after her kitten Pumpkin underwent a spay procedure. The procedure was done by Dr. Stanley Gorlitsky. But Marcia says the common procedure was anything but common for her kitten.
By Friday morning, the site was much more red and bulging. It was very bulging.
It turned out Pumpkin's internal stitches had come undone.
And the bulging was basically her intestines, which had fallen out.
Another doctor operated on Pumpkin, and today she's fine. But Marcia filed a complaint against Dr. Gorlitsky with the South Carolina Vet Board, the agency that regulates veterinarians.
He received what was called a public reprimand, but there's no public notice.
The reprimand from Marcia's case was written in a vet newsletter that's sent out only to other veterinarians, not to the public. Before Marcia's complaint, the Vet Board website showed no disciplinary action against Dr. Gorlitsky. But Dr. Gorlitsky did have disciplinary action in the past. The I-Team found in Ohio his license was suspended after complaints in that state. In our state, the I-Team also tracked down several other complaints against Gorlitsky. After our story on Dr. Gorlitsky aired in November, we started receiving more calls from viewers with concerns about him. Some who also had filed complaints against Gorlitsky, like Gwendolyn Geddes, whose puppy died during a spay procedure. Her complaint was dismissed last year due to a lack of evidence. But the letter the Vet Board wrote her clearly states, your complaint will be placed in our permanent files should additional complaints or related information be received in the future. Following our investigation, she resubmitted her complaint against Gorlitsky and demanded the investigation be reopened. But the Vet Board is not reopening it. They wrote her a letter saying the board does not reopen cases unless there's new information. And remember Jimbo from our reports in November? Dr. Gorlitsky gave him a clean bill of health, and soon after, another vet found he had whipworm, ringworm, and heartworm. Well, just last month, that complaint came before the Vet Board, and it, too, was dismissed. We have made numerous attempts to interview Dr. Gorlitsky during our investigation, and he declined. Just a few hours ago, Dr. Gorlitsky told us by phone he wishes to meet with us. He would not agree to an on-camera interview. We look forward to speaking with him. And we have spoken with the State Vet Board. What does the Vet Board have to say about the way they handle these cases and what changes are being made? Well, tomorrow night, hear from the State Labor Licensing and Regulations Office and the chairman of the South Carolina Vet Board. Trey.
Thank you.